Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Iven live broadcast. I'm Sabrina. Today, I will introduce the vial powder filling line for you. And do you know how to make the empty vial become the finished vials? Today, I will introduce the brief production line to the detailed information one by one. Now, follow me. For this vial powder filling line, the capacity is from 40 minutes to 400 vials per minute. And what you need, we can make the special design for you. And for this customer's requirements, the capacity is 120 20 vials per minute. The home production line is from washing machine to the sterilization tunnel and to the filling, stopping, then capping. Now follow me. I will introduce each station for you for detailed. The first station is the washing machine. For this machine, we can see it will thorough 6 times washing, 3 times for water, and 3 times for compressed air. The 3 times washing separately is the 2 washing for the circulation water and 1 for water for injection. And now let me ask our engineering to run this machine. You can see the detailed structure for this machine. Yeah. And here is the road. The wires can wash totally for different angles. And after the totally washing, then we can the wires can into the sterilization tunnel. And for the sterilization tunnel, we have the preheating arrow, the heating arrow, and then cooling. Now let's follow the HMI screen. We can see the HMI, the different parameters can be sent from the screen. Also, we can see from the preheating temperature, the high temperature, then cooling time and temperature degree can show from the HMD. Normally, for the heating time is for 5 minutes. The temperature degree is from 230 degree to 330 degree. And for this machine, we can see each part were equipped with the ammeter, also with the special fan, 1 ammeter with a fan to control all the data from the HMI. And the biggest advantage for this sterilization tunnel is we can see it used the 2-side heating and 2-side heating to ensure the sterilization temperature is uniform and each vial can be sterilized very well. And at the end of this machine, we are equipped with the temperature probe. Now we cannot see the probe inside. And each batch for the vial cooling time, heating time will be recorded from to the HMD. Then the data can be downloaded. Yeah. That's the sterilization tunnel. Now let's go to the core part for the filling part. After the vials are be sterilized, then we are through the tunnel to the filling part. You may wonder why we have the long conveying belt, because our customer requires this. They want to make the cooling tower be enough. Then the cold vial can be totally into the filling station. For the filling station, it's the core technology. It's the advanced core technology by our customer. Yeah, we can see for the material feeding, we use this hopper. You can see here. Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Welcome to our Iven live broadcast. Yeah. Here we can make the power into this. Let our camera give the detailed information. And the material is used important material, and it can withstand the temperature for more than 230 degrees. And our engineering can use this part into this to make it tight and combine together. Here is the barrel up and the barrel down, all be adjusted by this button. Okay. Now let's go to the front floor. Hello， 运行一下吹瓶机，不是运行一下洗瓶机。我一直在线。Hello, welcome. Here is the stopper part. We can see the detail part. Here is the sensor. This part equipped with two sensors. One sensor is to detect whether have voice or not. If no, we have stopped the machine. Yeah. This part is to detect the rubbers, whether has the rubbers or not. If not, also we are stop. The vials without stoppers can be, you can see, can be in this rejection part. Okay. Here is the filling part. Let's open this. Here was the two box. Inside is the mixer stirring part to make the material more fluidics. Yeah. Okay. Here is the screen. You can control. You can control the volume and control the filling volume by the HMD. Can see here the turnable speed, the bottle infilling speed, and the diameter speed. All can show from the HMD, and this part is very easy to clean. You can only need the special paper to escape this is enough. Yeah. Okay. 近一点了，就够了。Then there is the bottle positioning system. The positioning of the vials can choose the cylindrical positioning or servo motor positioning, depending on the vapor diameter. The advantage of servo motor positioning is a currently positioning, which can realize automatic positioning, easy operation. No need for operators to readjust, while cylinder positioning can reduce the customer's equipment maintenance cost and improve the speed of charging specifications. And customers can choose flexible according to their own needs. Finally, let's look at the tabletop and the electronic parts. The tabletop of the home machine is processed by slotting and folding, which is simple and beautiful with no dyed corners and easy to clean. All support columns on the tabletop are equipped with sealing devices to provide water from leaking into the machine during cleaning after work. The machine door adopts an embedded design. And later, I will show you how this material into the bottles. Next, the finished filled vials, including this turntable, to do the capping part. You can see the capping will be fitted into this cable and will have the capping process one by one. And to ensure each bottle will be kept, we also equipped with the sensors. If no vials be kept, then the machine will stop. This is the sensor to count the number. We can see it easily from this screen. And the finished products will be across to here. The last part is for the labeling. And it's the very standard labeling machine. And we can see the running situation, the production capacity, and the label length and speed from the screen. You can control. Yeah. Then after the finished vial powdering product is finished with labels, and we can see the quality is very good, and it can ensure the totally meet the requirements for the GMP, EU GMP, and US FDA. Yeah, that's the details of the production line. Now let's see the running situation from each part.
一直 follow you 哎，你这个都 follow，三个里。
If you have any questions, you can leave us message, then we will answer you. Yeah. Now, let us see the running situation for each part. Here is the washing. Yeah. We designed the long conveyor belt to ensure the infilling bottle, each bottle, we can see one by one, will have no break rate. Yeah. Then bottles be washed totally. Yeah. Each bottle will have its own needle to have the compressed air to make inside is also clean. Here is the circulating water. The last floor is used water for injection to ensure the cleaning quality. Yeah. This production line production capacity is 120 vials per minute. Yeah. Okay, that's washing. For the sterilization part, we can see the data from the HMI and can be controlled. The finished sterilized bottles will now across to the filling station. Yeah. This part is for material feeding.
还在。
Now we can see how to fill the powder into the vials. After stopped, then the material will filled into the vials. For the capacity 120 vials, we equipped with 2 stations for filling. We have the 4 filling heads. You don't need to worry for the material fluidity, and we have the sterile to mix this material together. Can be filled currently and high efficiently. This is for the vial for about 15 ml. And for the filling station, it totally meets the requirements for the GMP standard. Then capping station. Use a sensor to detect whether capped or not. This is the turntable to buffer the stopped vials one by one. Okay. Okay. After capture, then we'll have the labeling machine. The labeling machine also equipped with a sensor to detect whether labeled or not. If some vials are not labeled, then the OR machine will stop. Here is the control to record the data, how many vials has been labeled or not. Here. And it is worth to mention that all of our electronic parts are adopted with international brand. If you need to change the electronic parts, then you can easily to find local, don't need to buy from other countries. All for electronic parts are all Siemens and other international brand. And the finished products are here. Okay, that's all for our vial powder filling machine. And just before we see the washing machine and the sterilization tunnel and the filling and stopping and the capping. Yeah. This whole machine production capacity is from 40 vials per minute to 400 vials per minute. It totally meets the GMP standard. And we use the international electronic parts. You can find this easily from your local. And also we have the very professional after-sales service. After we sign the contract, the machines are being manufactured, then arrive to your factory. Then we can dispatch our professional engineers to your factory to give you training, commissioning, and let you to totally independent to operate the machine. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today's live broadcast. Yeah, Shanghai, let me introduce our company again. Shanghai Iven Pharmaceutical Engineering Corporation was established in 2005. With great efforts, we have 4 factories. One is our medical factory, pharmaceutical factory, auto packing factory, water treatment factory. If you have any other interest for any other pharmaceutical and medical production lines, please leave us a message or email us. Then we will reply you. That's all for today's live broadcast. See you later.
Create value for customers.